Hey, what's up? Welcome to the channel. In this video, we are talking about IAM service provided by AWS. In this service, as the name refers, that is identity and access management. It used to identify the user and provide the access to the user. Uh, Within a security, we need to follow a zero trust model or architecture where we need to give the user that permission that are actually used when we don't give another permission. That example, if a user just want to create a S3 bucket, so just give that permission that create it and nothing else, and that it this services helps to follow that rule. So let's talk about that. So first, we see what is this IAM. It's a identity management, access management. It's a core security service that let you service control access to AWS resources by managing users, group, and roles and permission policies. Let's talk about what are that. First, log in with your AWS and create. And after going to AWS, search IAM. Here you see IAM manage access to AWS. Here you can see there is a interface is open. Now here you are seeing there is a something IAM resources, there is user group, user roles, policy, identity providers, and here we are seeing something like that user group, role, permission. So let's talk about each things. First talk about the group. So that's a group. Must be create one group and just give the name. I want to share someone my account to someone that need to create only S3 bucket. So S3 well permission, and then here I can add the users if users are available. Currently I don't have any users, so it's optional. So here there is the policies. Here we that says that is a permission, that is policy. We assign a policy to a group. Here I just want to give the S3. Yeah, here we say Amazon S3 will access. And here we need to create user group. Here we create one group that name is S3 permission. Now we need to create a user that actually use it. So let's go to the create user, and within my company there's one intern come, and I need there's a work for creating one S3 bucket, but I don't want to give the full access of my AWS because something anything will be happen. Bec- um, so just there's a example username is YT minus, let's give the YT, and we need to provide the user to AWS console. If we don't provide this, so it has a command line access that we will talk later. So I need to give the provide a command line console access, and here I want to give the auto generated password, and after it is the first time it will log in, it user need to create a new password and click next. Now here we can provide add within a group to a user. Here we have created one a group that is SQ permission. In this group, we attach some policies that tell our kid this person has a policy of get full access of S3 bucket. And here we can also attach directive if we don't want to add into any group and assign directly to the policies. Here we can directly assign, just tick them, and it will be assigned. And we can also copy permission. So I have created one group that is S3 permission, and I want to add a user to that group. And here it is created and create user. Here now there is one URL come. So I'm open a incognito mode. Username is YouTube and password is I copied. YT and sign in. Here I need to add old password, and here just I add new password. Here I have created a new password as a user. Here I am come as an intern that I have mailed that I have to create the test bucket. Now here it's come and it's give the maximum access denied because I don't have any permission to do anything. Just here go and let's try to create something. Let's try to create EC2. I need to create another service that I don't have any access. So here I need to launch. You don't worry about that what are here going on. Just you see that what happened. I don't have any permission. I have tried to create it. Yeah, you can see you are not authorized. We can't able to get any permissions. Here not any found. Indirectly I want to say that I can't able to access another service until it assigned to my group or I am that group. So just here go to AWS and try to create one S3 bucket. Create bucket, and here I didn't get any error. Code with and I want give me anything. Just I want to create it. And here you can see it is easily created. I don't get any error. So just delete that again because we are not here are creating and delete that. So here you can see that we can easily able to create our SD bucket because we have a permission. In other we can't create a EC2 machine because we here you can see in a maximum here we got error access denied. So here we talk about the user and then we go to user group and S3 bucket S3 permission, and here you can see our party is username are in this S3 permission. If there is a question comes that is only one user can access into one group or multiple group. The answer is one user can get into a multiple group. Let's go. And there's also one that is admin. I need to give the now admin access to the user. We add user and we have one YT user that we create and add user. And now I'm go here. Now my and refresh it. Now my user has a admin permission. Here you can see maximum details are now coming. And now I try to create a EC2, it will be created. And to remove that user, just click that and remove it. And now our user is not a admin. Now I do refresh, and here you see there is a access denied. Now let's talk about roles. Here we can create a custom roles, and we will see later. It's practical, and we now here we talk about the policies, that what are policies and how to assign the policies to the user. And there is a identity providers. Here we can add many identity providers like GitHub, AWS, Azure. It means I need to connect another service from another provider or outside the AWS. So from there, its identity provider is used. So yeah, that's it for now. And there's a only common way that don't use any your user. Instead, you create one user and then give the admin permission and use that one. And to delete the user, just go here, click YT and delete it and write confirm, and it will delete your user. Now I do refresh, and just click something else because now my user has deleted. Now my user is deleted, and here it will come because of cache. And if I reopen that, so this user is not come. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you like that videos, so make sure you like the video and subscribe the channel.